facing here today on the 20th of March 2023. It's here on the basement floor it was. It's here on Ulvilantie, Ulvilantie 15 Stegesby, which just from Stegs A here. It's also here in Munkkivuori, Sweden. Close to Munkkivuori here, Helsinki was also money in Finland. It was built in 1958, during 65 it's all this year, 2023, but it's going to be inspected again. And it's here says 7656. Yeah, and there's 3 rights. It has everything in Swedish and Finnish everywhere, as it should be, except this one. This instruction should be in Swedish also.
Yeah.
And the MP6 interior. Also, a lot of these panels. Sorry, is it somebody coming? No, it's
no.
Wait.
Yeah.
It has a weird smell, like somebody has been smoking here.
Yeah.
Although it is prohibited.
Inspected by lift installed and maintained by Spelhissi.
Or maybe the smell came from outside.
Yeah.
Somebody was smoking there.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think that's some weird sounds.
Mm.
After the third ride, could you also do the floor indicator for me?
Yeah.
Maybe from the basement floor.
Yeah.
Because it's the lowest floor.
That's